So before we get started with our code, we have to make sure that we have our proper software installed. So assuming you're watching this video, you have a PC. So let's go ahead and download all the required software you're going to need for this course. So the first thing we're going to need is Google Chrome. That's going to be the web browser we're going to be using to test our websites. So it's really easy to download. Just go to google.com, and then in google.com you're going to search download Google Chrome. Now you will see right here that says go to download. So we're going to click this link. Let's move this over here. Now we're going to click the button that says download Google Chrome. Click accept and install. And then over here it'll tell you, do you want to run or save Chrome setup.exe? We'll just run that. And we'll let it do its thing. Over here we're going to click yes. And now we're just getting ready to install and getting everything set up. There we go. Download is complete. So now it is installing. And we'll just give it a couple minutes to finish installing. Looks like we have finished installing Google Chrome. And if we look down right here, we can see that Google Chrome has been added down to this dock area. And now we are able to use Google Chrome. So let's go ahead and launch that up. So welcome to Chrome. We can X that out of there. And there we go. Now we have our Chrome browser up and running. So we can automatically just cancel out of Internet Explorer. We don't even have to touch it. So let's go ahead and download our next piece of software. So let's X out of here. And the next piece of software we're going to need is called Komodo Edit. Now that's going to be the code editor we're going to be using for this class. So let's go to google.com. And inside Google we're going to search Komodo Edit. It'll be the first one we select. Now we'll give you two options, whether you want to download Edit or try Komodo IDE. We're going to stick with Edit because that's the free open source one, and we don't need anything fancy in here. So we're going to download Edit, which is going to be the code editor that I'm going to be using throughout this entire course. So let's click Download Edit. Now let's download Edit for Windows. Your download will start shortly. It's going to ask you, do you want to tweet out? If you don't want to, just let me download your software. So let's click on that. Thank you for downloading. Your download will start shortly. If it doesn't, you can start the download manually. It should start within a couple of seconds. If it does not, you can always click right here to start it. But there we go. We got the download running. So let's wait on that. Alright, so we seem to be done. So let's go ahead and click Show in Folder. Let's go over here and double click this to start the exe. So preparing to install. Welcome to Komodo Edit Setup Wizard. So you're just going to click Next. Agree to the terms and services. Next. Next. And install. So now it's going to install Komodo Edit onto our computer. Okay, now it gives us a little administration pop-up. Do you want to make changes to this computer? So go ahead. Yep. Now just installing and copying new files, and we're almost done with this installation of Komodo Edit and getting ready to start some code. Alright, looks like we have finished installation for Komodo Edit 9.3.2. So we don't want to launch Komodo unless you want to, and we definitely don't need to open the user guide. So we can unselect both of those, and we'll just wait for the next lesson where we actually start using Komodo Edit. So go ahead and click Finish, and we have finished installing everything. So stay tuned for the next lesson where we actually start learning how to code. See you in the next one.